Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and big news. The Windows 10 May 2019 update is now available to non-insiders. If you are a regular user of Windows 10, you can now seek Windows 10 through Windows Update. It is available starting today, May the 21st, 2019. So, of course, that's another step now as people can check it out. So, if you want to have or see if you can actually get the May 2019 update, what you need to do is simply go to your settings. And in your settings, you'll go to Windows Update. So update and security, and you'll check for updates. If it is available to your machine, it will show up, but as a separate download and install section. So here's the thing, if you check for updates, you're actually going to get a cumulative update maybe today, because there is a cumulative update for several versions of Windows 10. And you will see there's going to be a separate section where it's going to say, hey, you can download and install the new May 2019 feature update. What's nice about it is that if you do check for updates, it won't install automatically. You need to click download and install to have it installed on your machine. So starting today, May the 21st, if your computer is compatible, and that's the thing, if it doesn't show up here, that's because your computer, something isn't compatible with the May 2019 update, and it's not going to be pushed to you, or it's not going to show up actually. If you check for updates and it appears, well, you won't have it forced on you. You can leave it there. You don't have to install it. But if it shows up there, you know that when you feel like it, you can actually install it at some point. So it is now available. You don't have to be an insider. You can be just a regular Windows 10 user. Check it out. If you want to have it, well, it's going to show up here. And like we say, available for seekers. And this is nice because it's different from what seekers were before. Before, when you were a seeker, just checking for updates would push it on you. Now this time around, it's not going to be pushed on you. It's going to show up, but you'll have to, tell it to install if you want it to install. So check it out. It's available now. And if your computer is compatible, you should actually see it appear on your computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.